Hi everyone, here's the sizing chart to my Crochet Raglan Basic off-the-shoulder sweater. So it's one of 2 pages, this being the first page. Now you already know that the numbers listed in bold on the left are the actual stitch count that you will use. Like in the tutorial, I used 140 stitches, and the numbers on the right, those are your separations. Here's the second page to this chart. If you wish to have this as a hard copy, I do have a digital PDF. I'll provide the link to that PDF in the description box below. Here's the video tutorial as well. I do have this link in the description box as well.